We solve cosine of 2x equals 2 minus 5 cosine of x. We use the double angle identity for cosine, and we pick the one that contains only cosine of x in there, which is 2 cosine squared of x minus 1, and that equals 2 minus 5 cosine of x. This is an equation quadratic in form. We will make sure one side of this equation goes to 0. In order to do that, we add 5 cosine of x to both sides and subtract 2 from both sides. Thus, we have 2 cosine squared of x plus 5 cosine of x minus 3 equals 0. We will use trial and error to factor this. 2 cosine squared of x, we can use 2 cosine of x times cosine of x. We have the constant term negative 3. We can break it down to either 1 times negative 3 or negative 1 times 3. Let's try putting negative 1 over here and plus 3 over here. Using FOIL method to multiply out to check, we have negative cosine of x and then plus 6 cosine of x, which gives us the previous equation. So this factoring is correct. 2 factors multiplied together to get 0. That means either one of them must be 0. So we have 2 cosine of x minus 1 equals 0, or cosine of x plus 3 equals 0. For the equation on the left, we add 1 to both sides and then divide it by 2. We get cosine of x equals 1/2. Solving for cosine of x by itself, we subtract on both sides by 3. So we have cosine of x equals negative 3. For the equation on the right, this is not possible, because the range of cosine function is always between negative 1 and 1. We draw a unit circle to help us solve cosine of x equals 1/2. We have the vertical line x equals 1/2. Then the reference angle will be pi thirds, so x equals 2k pi plus or minus pi thirds. Since we are looking for x values that are between 0 and 2 pi, including the endpoint 0, excluding the endpoint 2 pi, we will have 2 solutions, pi thirds or 5 pi thirds.